Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got a special request to make a scarf for my nephew who is turning 2 this month, and we believe he likes Chase from Paw Patrol. The scarf measures 4 inches by 24.5 inches. The matching hat is on a separate video. The link is in the description box. For this project, we'll need acrylic yarn. This is the number 4 medium yarn. We also need a little bit of brown and yellow, gray and white, a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. We're going to begin with the badge. With the gray yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. At the end of the chain, this one, place 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1. Again, double crochet into the same chain. 2, and 1 more. 3. Now that we have 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and turn. In the first stitch, place 2 double crochet. One, 2. Double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2. And now we have a total of 5 stitches. 2 chains, and turn. In the first stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. On the last stitch, place 2 double crochet. Total 7 stitches. So we are increasing on the first and the last stitch. Each row we're increasing by 2 stitches until row 5 with 11 stitches. At the end of row 5 with 11 stitches, we're going to single crochet along the edge. Single crochet, single crochet, and try to keep your stitches evenly. Single crochet along the edge, and I'll meet you here. So we single crochet from here to here. And now slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. 1 chain, and leave a long tail, then cut yarn. For the next part of the badge, with white yarn, make a magic circle. One chain, then place 12 double crochet into the magic circle. 1, and 12. Now that we have 12 double crochet, pull the tail to close the circle. Slip stitch into the center of the major circle. 1 chain. Cut yarn and pull tight. Again, we're working with the white yarn. Make another major circle. This time, we're placing 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the tail to close the circle. Slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain. Cut yarn and repeat to make 2 more. Now that we have all the pieces for the badge, stitch them together like this and set it aside. The keyhole, I started with brown yarn with a foundation chain of 31, but it can be in any number as long as the scarf is able to go through when it is folded in half like this. Start on the second chain, that's 1, 2, turn to the back and place a half double crochet into the back of the chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, half double crochet into the next chain. Half double crochet, and half double crochet into every chain. Using the back of the chain will give you a nice finishing edge. At the end of the chain, after the last stitch, 1 chain, cut yarn. Turn your work and we're working this way back. Insert yellow yarn into the first stitch. Tie a knot. Insert, pull up a loop, 1 chain to begin. In the same stitch, place a half double crochet. Then half double crochet into the next stitch into the back loop. The back loop is the far away loop from us, and I'm sorry it's hard to tell with the brown color. Half double crochet into the back loop. Half double crochet into the back loop all the way across, and I meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row, on the last stitch, I insert into 2 loops, just like the first stitch. One chain, cut yarn, and turn. Insert brown yarn into the first stitch. Tie a knot. This is a repeat of the last row. Insert, pull up a loop, 1 chain to begin. Half double crochet into the first stitch. half double crochet into the back loop, half double crochet into the back loop all the way across. Repeat this until there are 5 rows. At the end of row 5, 1 chain and leave a long tail before cutting. The scarf, I also started with 31 chains, but it can be in any odd numbers. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. I insert my hook into 2 loops. And make sure your chain is not twisted. One chain. In the same chain, place a single crochet. One chain. Skip 1. Single crochet. One chain. Skip 1. Single crochet. One chain. Skip 1. Single crochet. And repeat this all the way around. At the end of round 1, 2 chains left. One chain. Skip 1. Single crochet. One chain. Skip the first stitch and single crochet into the 1 chain space, this one. One chain, skip the single crochet stitch, single crochet into the 1 chain space. One chain, skip the single crochet stitch, single crochet into the 1 chain space, 1 chain, and repeat this all the way around. And repeat this round for as many times as you like. I stop when the scarf measures 24.5 inches and cut yarn. At the end of the scarf, where the foundation is, stitch the badge onto it. I left about 3 rounds from the bottom. Then close the opening here. Lastly, attach the keyhole to the other end of the scarf, and it would be a good idea to use stitch markers to hold it in place. I hope you liked today's tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!